Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a birthday girl onesie for a little girl who's turning 1 year old. So I'm just starting here in Design Space with the words birthday girl. Here I just changed the font. I believe this is one of the fonts that I purchased from designbundles.net. But feel free to use, the best font that you have that you like. So here I am just resizing the words. The word birthday I have at 6 inches wide. I am using an 18-month onesie, so it's up to you. I would just make sure to measure, the space that's available on whatever size shirt you get. So I will be working on the front and the back of this shirt. So her name is Nova. So I will be using the same font to write her name across the shoulders in the back. And I will also be putting the number 1. Now I did leave this in black in Design Space, but I am using a pink glitter vinyl. And always remember to reverse your image when using heat transfer vinyl. So I have birthday girl on the front, Nova, and the number 1 on the back. I want to press both sides for 10 seconds. Be careful. Sorry, my niece called. So now I'm going to press the back side for 10 seconds. Yes, it technically did press, but just for security, I'm going to press the back side. That's back. And that's how you do a onesie. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.
Give us a subscribe, hit that button.